Okay, how might unpredictably quick and volatile inflation affect you personally over the few decades, right? So we are given that this inflation is volatile, meaning it doesn't stay at, like, let's say 2% or 3%, right? It just keeps changing, meaning it's like up and down, right? And so when that happens, the big thing is that nominal interest rates, the government will not know, what the Federal Reserve will not know when there's a volatile interest inflation as to what inflation actually is, and so they'll not be able to set the right which is the the federal nominal fund rate, right? The interest rate. So when they can't do that, then folks suffer because I equals R plus pi, right? So R will suffer, which is the real interest. So folks will not know, like, what does my money actually make. So volatility is huge, and quickness in terms of how sharp this rise is and sharp makes it very difficult for folks to predict, like, whether they should save more or invest more or spend, right? Okay, so let's go through the answers. What are some of the answers? High inflation might make it harder to know how much to save for retirement. Yes, right. This looks to be right already because you don't know. Your savings is impacted, right? Your savings is impacted because you don't know R, because I is not being set because pi is moving up and down, and so you don't know how much you should save. High inflation will not affect many industries in the long run, thereby affecting your career choice. No, it does. High inflation does affect, especially if it's quick and volatile. It does affect. So this is not right. High inflation is always a good thing for the economy. No, 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 no. It's not a good thing, right? Higher inflation, if it is stable, then it can be argued a little bit. But volatile, no. And inflation doesn't mean you'll be wealthy, actually you'll be poor, so you can ignore this right away. None of the above. No, because choice one looks good, right? Inflation doesn't really influence anyone personally. That's absolutely wrong statement. So choice one looks right.